You've heard space is silent, right? Not exactly. Space is mostly a vacuum, so sound can't travel like it does on Earth. But NASA discovered something strange. They recorded radio waves emitted by planets, stars, and even black holes. Then they converted those waves into sound, and the result? Creepy, haunting, and totally real. Jupiter's storms roar like monsters. Saturn hums like an alien engine. Even black holes produce terrifying, bass-like vibrations. So no, space isn't silent. It just speaks in a language we had to decode.